If you're fed up of rice meals or flour-based meals or even pasta, here's another alternative. Let's make pie using corn flour and lots of my favorite vegetables. If you want to see how to do that, you have to keep watching this video. To begin, gather and prepare all the ingredients listed in the description box below, like I have done here. In the meantime, turn on the oven to 350 degrees. Now heat a pot. It's always wise to use a non-stick pot for this dish. Add in the butter or margarine and allow to melt on medium heat. Do not let the butter burn. Drop in the pimento and onions and saute until the onions are translucent. Add in the vegetables and Italian seasonings. Stir well. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes. Pour in the milk and cream-style corn. Add in the corn flour and stir to avoid lumps. It's best to use corn flour and not cornmeal. The difference is in the milling. The flour is a finer texture. Sprinkle the salt and black pepper. Keep stirring until the mixture comes together. Sprinkle in a handful of grated cheese. The rest will be used to top the pie. Mix well. If it dries out while cooking, add about 1 cup of milk and stir well. Turn off the flame and spoon the mixture into the greased baking dish and smooth the top. Cover with the grated cheese and place in the middle of the oven. Bake until it's lightly brown. Be careful not to leave it in the oven too long so as to prevent the pie drying out. Serve with your favorite Trini-style stew such as lentils or red beans or whatever protein you like, or you can have it with stir-fried veggies or even salad. I'm having it here with stir-fried veggie chicken nuggets. It's that easy. If you enjoyed the recipe, give me a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And hey, drop me a comment down below and let me know how you make yours if you do. Thanks for cooking with me today. See you in the next video.